Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz, and today I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing and walk around of the new Amazon Echo 2nd Gen. Just arrived today, and we've got the Alexa voice service, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, and we have lots of things we can connect with this. This is pretty cool, and as you can see, there's a couple of samples there. So we've music, BBC Radio Player, Sky Sport, U, National Rail, Just the Audible, Domino, Sky Scanner, all the rest, and lots more. So there's a lot you can do. You can design around your voice control music throughout your home, make hands-free calls, rich, crisp, room-filling sound, second generation far field voice recognition, voice control your smart home, and it's always getting smarter. Which is true. These have become very popular, the Amazon Alexa products, and we'll check it out. So that's all there is in the box, and we'll pop this out here. So in here on the bottom we get our plug, and that's basically it. The mains powered like so. Nice Amazon logo on the plug there, and we'll leave that for now. Anyway, we get our little booklets here, and Ask Alexa to give you some information on how to get going and so on. And this is giving us a guide as to what's what on the unit itself. So we'll just pop that down, peel off the plastic, and that's it. It's not too heavy. Nice kind of denim feel to it here. And up on top here we can see our buttons. So we've plus and minus, speak and power on and off. And down on the bottom we have our auxiliary out and of course our power. So that's pretty much it. It's about, just for argument's sake, that compared to a can, just to give you a size of what you're talking about here, and that's really about it. So it's pretty cool indeed. Looking forward to checking this out. Probably using this more as of an information hub than a smart connected device here at the minute, because I'm actually going through a process of getting the house kitted out with smart stuff and so on. But for the moment now, I'll probably just use this for information and so on, music, calls and the likes, news and whatever the case may be, and seeing how good it is and the quality of the speaker itself. So that's just about it for now. Any questions, get in touch, techbuzzorion.com. Stay tuned for more, and we'll talk to you in the next one.